So today I'm gonna be filming my what I eat in a day, which is changed a lot in the past few months because I'm trying to get back into shape because I'm going to New York next month for my birthday, and I'm gonna do some modeling stuff there. And you know, the pandemic kind of just was a little hard on all of us, so I'm gonna be filming a what I eat in a day, and it's very different than what it was a few months ago. I just am eating a lot better and foods that are actually good and fueling and not as processed as they used to be. Like, I don't know, I'm just trying to incorporate healthier options into my day-to-day life. So what you're seeing in this video isn't typically what I ate like 5 months ago. Why is there so many cars? I'm gonna try this later. I tried filming this earlier and it didn't really work because there was so much cars and traffic, and I didn't want to crash because I'm a good driver. But I'm going to be filming a what I eat in a day video. So right now I'm trying to eat like more non-processed foods and just healthier kind of options. I'm trying to get ready to go to New York next month because I have some stuff I'm gonna do there. So I'm just trying to get back into shape after the pandemic and everything and all of that. So just know that what you see in this video isn't like what I've been eating like every day my whole life. Like, obviously I have pizza, obviously I eat pasta and this and that, but right now I'm currently trying to get ready for something. So that's why I'm eating like this, and that's why I'm working out so much. So yeah, I don't normally eat this good. Like, probably a month ago I was eating like pizza and pasta and ice cream. Not that that's bad, obviously it's good like to have in moderation, but like for being a model I need to be in shape and stuff. I'm not really sure what foods are gonna be in this video, but just know they're gonna be delicious. So yeah, I just got back from the store actually, and I got some chicken for later. My brother's birthday dinner is gonna be chicken wings, but I think I might have like a Santa Fe like chicken salad, or maybe a little bit of both. I don't really know right now, but I'm gonna go inside. I think I'm gonna make some oatmeal or eggs and toast, which you will see in the next clip, whichever one I chose. You already know. I don't. I'm in my car. Feels kind of personal, like I'm talking to you in the passenger seat, like first date vibes. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go inside. Hey guys, I'm in the kitchen. Today we are making Santa Fe salad, chicken Santa Fe salad. It's pretty easy, pretty simple, but I've never made it before. My mom's made it for us. First, hammer the chicken out. We have our chicken breast. Okay. So you're gonna trim all the icky stuff off your chicken, right? Just do a little trim. The pan's probably piping hot right now, but so our chicken is cut and prepared. Now we're gonna hammer it out. Again, I've never done this, so I'm excited. I love that. Nothing but beating your meat in the kitchen. To use the sun. My bad. I'm beating my meat because it needs to cook quicker. And it cooks quicker when it's thin, and then you don't have to, you know, dry it out. This is kind of, this is how big it is after you beat it. Put the meat in. It's seasoned. I seasoned the chicken with salt and pepper, which I don't need anymore. And some cumin, chili powder, and paprika. We're gonna chop it up. I have a fancy salad spinner. This is the Santa Fe sauce, which is just picante. Fart noise. Picante, salsa, and some ranch dressing. So mix that together to get your special dressing. But I'm just chopping the lettuce now, and then we're gonna wash and then throw it in the bowl. That flavor. I love that, bro. I'm gonna do like half of the delicious sauce. Fold it in. It's burning. Let's sit for a second. Let the juices simmer, okay? Guys, the chicken is fine. No matter what anybody tells you. A little bit of cheese. Is that too much? We have these fancy tortilla strips. There is our salad. Now I'm going to chop the beautifully cooked chickens. Okay, we're going to plate the salad. Okay. Okay. This looks pretty good. Oh wait, hold on. We're not done here. You thought. I think it's good. Okay. This is, Ta-da! So that concludes my what I eat in a day. It typically ranges from like, I don't know, sometimes I'll have different types of like pasta and meats and stuff like that. But typically the meals I ate like in this day, I eat pretty much every other day. I have like the Santa Fe salad like a few times a week. I'm really loving it right now. And yeah, I think the eggs and toast is pretty practical. I'll probably do an updated what I eat in a day maybe in a few months whenever it changes, or if I incorporate new foods, or maybe a what I eat in a week. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.